Unbelievable, Christian Cage wins TNT title on AEW Collision. AEW brought a loaded episode of Collision this week and they started off with a TNT title match. During that match, Darby Allin fought for the TNT title in a triple threat match between both Christian Cage and Luchasaurus. And that match ended with a title change. Christian Cage has carried the TNT title for Luchasaurus since he became champion. On this week's Collision, Cage won the title and made that ownership official. Darby Allin hit his coffin drop on Luchasaurus to close out the match, but Cage threw Darby out of the ring. Then Christian secured the pinfall and won the match. After the match was over, Christian celebrated big time, but Luchasaurus didn't look quite as happy. Either way, Darby Allin was robbed of another title run in AEW. And the most important thing in this video is Christian Cage pinned Luchasaurus. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment box section.